The question goes like this. A man covers a distance of 100 km traveling with a uniform speed of x km per hour. Had the speed been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. Find the original speed. There are two cases in this question. One, a man traveling with a uniform speed of x km per hour. The other one is the same man traveling with x plus 5 km per hour. That is, he has increased the speed by 5 km per hour. And now we have to get the original speed of the man. Case 1, original speed is x kilometer per hour. The distance traveled is 100 kilometer. So the time taken by the man to travel this distance with this speed is 100 upon x hours. The second case, the new speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. The distance traveled is the same 100 kilometer only, and the time taken, let it be t2, to travel this distance with this speed is 100 upon x plus 5 hours. There is a comparison given in the question on the basis of time. Had the speed been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less. So t2 is equal to t1 minus 1, which means with the new speed, the time taken is lesser than the time taken when it was x kilometer per hour. This can also be written as t1 minus t2 is equal to 1. t1 is 100 upon x minus t2 is 100 upon x plus 5, which is equal to 1. 100 is common, so taking that out, we get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 inside the bracket, which is equal to 1. So 500 upon x into x plus 5 is equal to 1. 500 is equal to x times x plus 5. On expanding the right hand side, 500 is equal to x square plus 5x. Rewriting in the standard form, we get the quadratic equation as x square plus 5x minus 500 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation which represents the situation given in the question. We have to solve this equation to get the value of x. Minus 500 is a constant term. If I take the factors as plus 25 and minus 20, the product of these two numbers give minus 500, and the sum of these two gives us the middle term plus 5. So let's split the middle term as plus 25x and minus 20x, which gives us x minus 20 times x plus 25 is equal to 0. This implies that either x minus 20 should be equal to 0 or x plus 25 should be equal to 0. So the two values of x are 20 and minus 25. Minus 25 is invalid as the speed cannot be negative. Therefore, the required value for x is 20 km per hour, which means original speed is 20 km per hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.